In today's fast-paced business world, having a robust and secure email system is critical. If your business is currently using GoDaddy's Office 365, it might be time to consider migrating to Microsoft Office 365. Why, you ask? Let's explore the benefits. While GoDaddy's Office 365 offers basic functionalities, Microsoft Office 365 provides advanced security features designed to protect your business data. Here are some key advantages of Microsoft Office 365 over GoDaddy. Office 365, Microsoft Office 365 includes 1. Advanced threat protection. Protects against sophisticated threats hidden in email attachments and links. 2. Data loss prevention. Helps prevent sensitive information from being sent outside your organization. 3. Encryption. Ensures that only intended recipients can read your emails. 4. Multi-factor authentication. Adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of authentication. 5. Advanced compliance tools. Helps your business stay compliant with industry regulations. Now, you might be wondering how to make this transition smoothly. This is where TeckPath comes in. With our extensive experience in migrating businesses to Microsoft Office 365, we ensure a seamless transition with no downtime or limited downtime during the cutover. At TeckPath, we pride ourselves on our meticulous planning and execution. Our dedicated team handles every aspect of the migration process, from initial consultation to post-migration support, ensuring your business operations remain uninterrupted. Make the smart move today. Upgrade to Microsoft Office 365 with TeckPath and experience the difference. Contact us to get started. TeckPath, your trusted partner in IT solutions.